بە خێراتنێکی گەرمی بەڕێز جێفری پایت برێکاری وەزیری دەرەوەی ئەمریکا بۆ کاروباری وزە هەروەها باڵیۆزی ئەمریکا وەشان دیاوەریان دەکەین بۆ کوردستان و هەولێر بۆ سەردانی هەردوو کارگەی ماس و کار هەردوو کۆمپانیان کە لە کاری وزەدا کار دەکەن ئەمڕۆ لە نزیکەوە سەردانی هەردوو شوێنەکەمان کرد بۆ دابینکردنی کارەبا و هەروەها گاس و نەوت کە لەم بوارانەدا کار دەکەن. بە خۆشحاڵیەوە گوێبیستیەوە بووین کە وڵاتی یەکگرتوەکانی ئەمریکا گرنگی بە بابەتی وزە و پێشخستنی و کەرتی وزە لە عێراق و لە هەرێمی کوردستان دەدات و پێیان ڕاگەیاندوین کە پشتیوانێکی عێراق و هەرێمی کوردستان دەبن بۆ ئەوەی لەم کەفتانەیەمە بتوانین هەنگاوی باشتر و پێشکەوتنی باشتریش بەدەست بێنین. قسەی زۆر کرەوە لەسەر ئەوەی کە ئێمە چۆن بتوانین بەیەکەوە هاوکاری بکەین و ئەوان چۆن بتوانن پشتیوانی ئێمە بکەن. بۆیە من لەمە زیاتر کاتتان نادرم و بۆ بەڕێز بریکاری وەزیر کاتەکە بەجێ دێڵم و ئەوەی بۆشیان لەسەرم بابەتە قسەی پێویستم بۆ بکەن. زۆر زۆر بەخێر بێن. Deputy Secretary, I'd like to welcome you and Ambassador and delegation with you to Kurdistan, Hawler, and thank you for your visit to both mass and car companies here that are working in the energy sector. You've heard about the United States interest and support to all of Iraq and Kurdistan region in this sector. We are very grateful for your support. I won't take much of your time, and I'll let you sit the podium and say a few words. Thank you for coming.
Well, first of all, thank you very much, Prime Minister Barzani, for inviting both myself and Ambassador ڕۆمەناوسکی to see some of this part of the Iraqi Kurdistan region. I must say, today's visits have left a powerful impression on me in terms of the energy abundance of this region, its importance to the energy self-sufficiency of all of Iraq, and also the degree to which we all are navigating some of the same challenges. I said in our meeting just now, this is like a little Oklahoma. As I look out on the landscape here, it reminds me so much of some of our oil-producing regions in the United States. I was especially glad that we were able to begin our day at Gilgud in order to see the Mass Global facility, a company which is one of the most important partners in the world for GE Vernova, one of our cutting-edge clean energy, energy utilization, energy security companies. And it was encouraging to hear from Mass Global what they are doing here in the Iraqi Kurdistan region, but also what they are doing globally, elsewhere in Europe. And it's a reminder of how the energy industry of this region is beginning to meet world standards. The same is here at Kermala, and I want to start by thanking Sheikh Bas for sharing with us what you are doing at this facility, and the really inspiring story of entrepreneurship and growth and economic prosperity that this facility represents. It is very encouraging to hear from Sheikh Bas what the group is doing to better manage the climate impact of the oil and gas that it produces, including through the abatement of associated gases and the cessation of venting and flaring. This is exactly the issue that Ambassador ڕۆمەناوسکی and I discussed yesterday with Prime Minister Sidani and with his ministers. Iraq is one of the world's most important energy producers. It has the capacity to be much more efficient in the use of those resources in a way that delivers benefits for all of Iraq's citizens and in a way that will increase the self-sufficiency of Iraq and the ability of Iraqi companies, including companies here in Iraqi Kurdistan, to deliver the power that Iraqi citizens deserve, to reduce the climate and ecological impact of that power production, and to use it as a vehicle to build what the United States has sought to support for many, many years, which is an Iraq which is sovereign, which is prosperous, and is moving forward with its democracy. I am coming away from this visit today to Erbil, my first visit to Erbil, with a strong sense of the importance of the work that our Consul General does here and the work that I know our embassy in Baghdad supports in terms of building commercial linkages. It was important when Prime Minister Shibani was recently in the United States that he traveled to Houston, the energy capital of the United States, where everything that we see before us today is part of the daily live stream. We are very excited about the opportunities to continue building what is already a very strong energy services relationship between the United States and Iraq, but particularly here in the Iraqi Kurdistan region, where we have partners who are strongly focused on the relationship with the United States, where we have industrial counterparts who understand how American businesses operate, and where we have a shared interest in building prosperity, stability, and sustainability. So I look forward to discussing these opportunities further over the course of this afternoon. And I look forward to, again, at some point in the future, welcoming Prime Minister Barzani back to Washington so we continue working on what for me is a very, very important relationship, a very important aspect of our overall relationship with Iraq. So, George Dupas, and I look forward to continuing our work, and I know that my team that is visiting from Washington shares my enthusiasm and my commitment to continue focusing very hard on the work we have to do together in these areas. Thank you.